Building software is a bit like building a bridge. You need a solid plan, a blueprint to make sure everyone is on the same page. That's where the Software Requirement Specification, or SRS, document comes in. It outlines what the software should do and how it should do it. Think of the SRS as the instruction manual, but way more detailed. It's the document that keeps the project on track, preventing costly mistakes and misunderstandings down the line. Without it, you're building on shaky ground. Just like a blueprint helps engineers build a safe and functional bridge, a well-written SRS ensures developers create software that meets everyone's needs. Now, here's the catch. The SRS needs to speak to two very different audiences, the users or clients and the development team. Users are focused on what they need the software to do for them. Think of it as their wish list for solving a problem or making their lives easier. Developers, on the other hand, need to know how to make those wishes a reality. They're the builders, the ones translating ideas into lines of code. This is where things can get tricky. What's clear to a user might be open to interpretation for a developer, and that's where the SRS needs to bridge the gap. We all use language differently, and what seems obvious to one person can be confusing to another. Take the word, or for example, in everyday conversation, or can be exclusive or inclusive. An exclusive or means you can only choose one option, like do you want coffee or tea? An inclusive or means you could have both, like do you want cream or sugar in your coffee? See how a simple word can create confusion. In software specs, these nuances can have big consequences. That's why it's crucial to be extra precise with language, leaving no room for ambiguity. Let's say you're building a boat. A user requirement might be, I need a boat to go fishing. Simple enough, right? But a developer needs more information to build that boat. A system specification would translate that user need into concrete details. The boat needs to be 16 feet long, have a 50 horsepower engine, and include 2 fishing rod holders. See the difference? The user requirement focuses on the what, while the system specification defines the how. Both are essential for building the right boat, or in our case, the right software. By clearly separating user needs from system details, we prevent misunderstandings and ensure everyone is working towards the same goal.